What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Man, I can't even talk today because I'm so excited. I'm actually doing something that's kind of it's kind of random. It was always a thought. I never actually thought it would actually happen. But today, I'm going to go see, well, actually, no. In a few minutes, I'm going to go drive out and go check out 2 vending machines at the same location. Yeah, they're at a location already. I'm going to go speak to the gentleman. We agreed to a good price. These funds that I'm using is actually from the eBay money that I've made, that I talked about in my first couple videos. So it's so like I said, it was positive income. Use that to drive to the next goal. And my goal that I decided was to have a couple vending machines, and I'm gonna actually have my first 2 vending machines, and I'm gonna go drive out there now, and we're gonna go check it out. So stay tuned. All right, everyone, so we're here at the location I'm parked. It's actually behind me. It's actually kind of busy, so I'm not going to record the process of me walking to the street to get into the building. I got to first ask permission to see if it's okay to record where they're actually at, and if it's a go, I'll show you guys what the machines look like. I'm hoping they say yes, so I can actually show you. But so far, it's two machines. One drink machine and one snack machine, and they're right by each other, so it's really convenient. My first location, they're smack dab right next to each other, so it's really gonna help out. So let's cross our fingers and hope that they can actually show. They actually allow me to show you guys what it looks like. So stay tuned. All right, guys, they gave me the permission to actually record here. So these are the machines. All right, so I'm seeing this one's like completely empty. They like Cheetos a lot, so that's definitely something I'm going to keep on providing here. Lots of empty spaces. I'm planning on adjusting some of the prices in the bottom for some bigger pastries. And the drink machine itself, I'm actually kind of curious. It's actually kind of dark. I hear the compressor going on, so it's on. I feel the sides are kind of cold. But it's kind of dark, so I gotta wait I'm still waiting for the guy, and I'll let you guys know how it goes after that, how the deal goes, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, I finished talking to the guy. The machines are mine. It was pretty obvious there's a lot of stocking to do. Lots of sodas, lots of chocolates and candies and pastries and all that stuff. I was very lucky after paying, having to set the price and everything for the amount of product that he had and sodas. He still had a lot. He still had a lot of change and cash in the mechanism. He was very nice and just said, "Hey, take it." I mean, it was like $100-$200 worth of stuff there, so he was very, very generous even after dropping the original price. So I greatly appreciate that gentleman. He really hooked me up. And so yeah, my first 2 vending machines, snacks and drinks. I will be doing another video touching on this subject with restocking. Gonna be restocking it and how that experience goes. So if you guys like what I'm doing with my channel and the whole vending and whole entrepreneurship and everything, just positive thinking, trying to make things happen, a little more extra at the end of the month, please like this video. Have any questions, comments, concerns, just put them in the comments. Also, if you ever need any questions on what equipment I use to do YouTube or record or anything, it's always going to be in the description below. Also, if you really like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next Entrepreneurial Dad video. Take it easy and stay safe.